Hello everybody, we're about to walk up front here in the savannah of Africa and see some beasts making a dance. Ain't me? Look at them, they're so dancing, so beautiful dances.
You should go further.
With moves like Justin Bieber. You don't know how to move. Come on. Do you see them dancing?
A bit, I think a bit, just we're gonna get further then.
They're singing as well.
We can run! We can run, but we can't hide.
If you need me, I will die. I will run. They're singing a lot. High voices. Playing the guitar. Come on. Posing awkwardly. I'm running like a madman.